Hi, I'm Dan with Cali and today we're going to show you how to install the catalytic converter guards for the Lexus GX 550. For hardware, you're going to be receiving two M8 security bolts for 5/16 button head screws, 12 5/16 washers for 5/16 lock nuts, and a T40 Torx bit. For tools, you're going to want a ratcheting wrench, 14mm socket, 1/2" socket, a 14mm box end wrench, a 1/2" box end wrench, a 3/16 Allen wrench, and a T40 Torx bit. So for the installation, you're going to be receiving two brackets, as well as a driver and passenger cat shield. So I've already installed the driver side. I'm going to go ahead and do the passenger side and show you what to do. First, we're going to remove any plastic cowling or covers that you have under here. This model didn't come with one. So the next step is to loosen these two 14mm bolts here. And then we're going to be placing this bracket on it. And then we're going to be using our security bolt into this slot. So we're going to go ahead and show you those two frame bolts here. So before we put this on the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and lightly install the bracket. We're going to place it together like this. Put your washer underneath the bottom part. You're going to place this bracket underneath this flange. I'm just going to hold that in place. Put another washer on there. Get this going. Now we're going to use our 1/2" socket to tighten this down to just have enough space where this can move around. Okay, so we're going to put these two slots over the bolt heads. Hone it up. And then I'm going to take the security bolt. Place the washer on there. Get that started. Using the 14mm, I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. It doesn't need that many turns because I've already tightened it down. So we've got our passenger side, and then we have our driver side. And that's how you install the catalytic converter guards for the Lexus GX 550. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as visiting CaliRaisedLED.com to get other awesome products just like these.